Thank you for coming back to the weekly podcast of Oriental Pacific Futures based in Malaysia. This is Dawong here from PWForex.com, and the FCPO podcast is specially designed and delivered to you. And this week we're going to cover on the date 17 March up to the 21st March. Alright, we're going to start with the weekly chart on the FCPO, which the market closed at a price of 2797 ringgit per ton on last Friday. That was the 14th of March. Alright, by looking at the weekly chart, we want to draw some lines across, alright, to illustrate the channel as what we are doing now. Okay, by changing it to black color, which is more visible, and begin to draw a channel line right at the top. Okay, this is how we're going to put it up. If you can see clearly on this channel itself, well, we think that the resistance is going to be pretty strong in the region of 2920 for this coming week in case the market turns up on a bullish trend. But however, on the weekly chart, on last week, it has actually made a black candle on coming down. So this week, most likely, we are looking at selling pressure on the top side. So from the weekly chart, we are turning it into the daily chart now, and let us take a look on the day chart. Alright, on the day chart, on last Friday, it was closing with a reasonably high volume and open interest, alright, in the CPO prices. And this week we are doing a rollover, going over to the June contract. Alright, June contract. As you look here, alright, we're going to pull a Fibonacci retracement from this bottom to the top to check out what is the retracement benchmark. And unsurprisingly, we are finding that the market has actually moved down from the top on last week down to exactly a 33% retracement, and at the same time also supported by this green line, which is EMA 20. So we actually foresee that this week market is going to go sideways, and temporarily there'll be a good support in the region of 2760, all right, 2750 to 2760 ringgit per ton in the FCPO prices, where it actually goes sideways, trading higher to 2,900. So this week, all right, we forecast the range will be trading from 2750 to 2,900 ringgit per ton. And if anything were to drive the market prices lower, definitely there'll be a strong support coming in the region of 2,700 up to 2,720. And this, if this is going to happen, it will only be sometime in the early week, Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. All right. Otherwise, if Monday it goes sideways, then we're expecting a more likelihood for the market to rebound higher. So trade well and control your risk. All right, and stick to our plan. Unless if the market goes beyond your expectation, then you shall not hesitate to cut loss. My name is Dawong here from PWForex.com, and thank you to Oriental Pacific Futures for hosting this program, and thank you to all the listeners for coming back. We shall speak again next week. Thank you very much. Bye bye.